Good morning, students. Today I'll continue with exercise 6.3 sum verbal sums. So, in third question, you have 7 bits. I hope that you done these bits. Okay. Last bit I am saying to you. Just once see the textbook. Last bit is given L is equals to 28, S is equals to 144, and there are total 9 terms. Find A. So, first you have to write given L is equals to 28. S is equals to 144. There are total 9 terms. So N is equals to 9. We have to find A. We should find the value of A. Okay, this is the question. Now we'll see how we have to solve this one. Okay. What is the meaning of L here? L means I said that it is last term in the progression. So how many terms are there in the progression? 9 terms are there. So L is nothing but A9 is equals to 28. Why I wrote here 9 means because in that N is equal to 9 terms are there. Last term is 28. So you have formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. By using this formula A9, how you can write it? Wherever N is there in right hand side, in place of N you have to write 9. 9 minus 1 into D. Now A plus 9 minus 1 into D, I substituted here. A9 means whatever you written, this I wrote here. In place of A9, I wrote here to here. Okay. A9 means I wrote A plus 9 minus 1 into D is equal to, after what you have here, 28. Same I wrote here. So in BODMAS rule, first B means brackets. Inside the brackets you have to simplify, that is 9 minus 1. So you are getting A plus 8D is equals to 28. It is equation number 1. You can't simplify further here. Okay. Now we will come to S is equals to 144. What is S is equal to 144 is, S means sum of terms. How many terms are there? 9 terms are there. S is equals to, meaning of S is equal to 144 is sum of 9 terms is equals to 144. So I am writing here given S9 is equals to 144. Now formula here, how I wrote AN formula, like that you have formula for Sn. Sum of n terms formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It is one formula, or you have n by 2 into 2a means you can write a plus a or not. First a is here. Next a plus n minus 1 into d is there. A plus n minus 1 into d means an. So a plus an. These two formulae are same. So we know an value. So I am writing here like this. Now what I am writing is S9 is equals to S9 you are saying. 9 means in place of n you have to write 9. Very good. So 9 by 2 into a value we don't know. A only. Plus an value is 28. Is equals to how much they given here? 144 is given. Listen carefully. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. N means number of terms are 9. So S9. S9 means, N means 9 here. It is 9. And it is A. 9 by 2 into A plus 28. See, this 9 by 2 you can take to this side. A plus 28 is equals to 144 into 9 by 2. If it is coming to this side, it becomes 2 by 9. So 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So both will go in 9 table. If you want, you can cancel in 3 table also. 3 3s are 9. 144 also in 3 table you can cancel. 3 4s are 12. 14 minus 12 is 2, 24. 3 8s are 24. Again in 3 table it will go. 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 18 is there. 3 6 are 18. So you are getting A plus 28 is equals to 16 2s are how much here? 32. A is equals to 32 minus 28. So you are getting 4. So what is the value of a here? A is equals to 4. You got it. It is equation number 2. Now a value, if you substitute in this one, you will get the value of d. But he did not ask to find the value of d. What he asked? He asked to find the value of a only. So we found a. So it is problem number 7 in third question. In third, problem number 7 in exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3. Next, fourth question, if you want, I'll say. Fourth question is, first you have to read the question carefully. The first and the last terms of AP are 17 and 350 respectively. The common difference is 9. How many terms are there and what is their sum? See, the difference between third and problems from 4 to 14 are 4 to 14 are verbal sums, means they given some matter. So in third, you have 1, 2, 3, like 7 problems are there or not? These 7 problems directly they given what is first term, what is difference, what is an. So without writing, just they given S13 you have to find like that. So now fourth problem you have to read that problem and you have to write given and you have to find out whatever he asked. So now the first and the last terms of an APR. So here first term is represented with A and the first term is 17. Last term is represented with L or AN and it is given as 350. Both are in AP only. Okay. If the common difference is 9, so D value they given as 9. How many terms are there and what is their sum? He is asking number of terms, how many are there? Sum of n terms is how much? By reading the question, what I done is, I wrote given. By reading the sum, I wrote given. And I wrote what you have to find. So this is nothing but third problem only. In third problem, they given A value, AN value, D value they given, N find it, SN find it. Like this sums are there in third 1 to 7. So fourth problem onwards, they are not different problems. They are also same problems, but verbal sums. They'll called as verbal sums. Now, how to solve? We'll see it. Whenever they given AN, go for AN. AN is equals to 350 given. So just like previous problem, AN formula. What is AN formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. So in place of AN, I am writing A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 350. I am writing. Now in this A plus n minus 1 into D, A and D are variables. But AD values they given already. A is equal to 17, D is equals to 9. So wherever A is there, write 17. Wherever D is there, you have to write 9 is equals to 350. First, don't take 9 to right hand side. We should not take. Okay. 17 plus 9 minus 1 into 9 is there. First, you have to take this 17 to RHS. Then n minus 1 into 9 is equals to 350 minus 17. Okay. From 350, if you subtract 17, 10 minus 7, 3. 4 minus 1, 3, 3. So you are getting 333. It is n minus 1 into 9. So this 9 you have to take to this side. N minus 1 is equal to 333 by 9. 333 will go in 3 table. 9 also will go in 3 table. Again 111 also will go in 3 table. 3 3s are 9. 27. 3 7s are 21. 3 1s are. So you are getting n minus 1 is equal to 31 means 37 means n minus 1 is equals to 37 means n is equals to minus 1 is transposing to right hand side. So it becomes plus 1. So n is equals to 38. So n value we got it. So after getting n value, what he asked here to find out a sum of n terms. So n is equal to 38 means S38 you have to find it. You have to find S38. S38 formula for Sn. Already said n by 2 into A plus An. So formula I am writing again, n by 2 into A plus An. Okay. Why I wrote a n here? Because a n value we know. If we know a, n, d separately, you have to write the formula for Sn as n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now, in place of n, you have to write 38. Very good. And a means how much they given in the question? 17. 17 you have to write it. An means last term in the progression they given us 350. So 350 you have to write. Now 2 ones are 2 19s are. 19 into, for 350 if you add 17 you are getting 367. Now you have to multiply 367 with 19. 9 7 is 63, 3 6, 54 plus 6 60, 6, 9 3 is 27 plus 6, 33, 367, 3796. So you are getting a 6973. So it is sum of 38 terms in this progression. Okay. So like this you have to do it. See, I did not apply any new formula. An Sn. An is a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is n by 2 into a plus an or n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. These formulas only I am applying. You have to remember these formulae and also you should know simplification. So, one more question will do it. Linely, if we go, somewhat difficult to say all the problems. Now, for which problem we'll go? Okay, sixth problem. Sixth, what he is saying, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first 10 terms. See, what I said to you is, you have to read the problem carefully. Being you opted English medium, they'll give the question in English itself. You have to read that one, you should understand that, and then you have to write given. See, if you write given, you will get some marks. Okay. Now, sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49. So, sum of means S. 7 terms means S7 is equal to how much they given? S7 is equals to 49 given. Okay. So, what you know about formula for Sn? Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It is the formula for Sn. So, in place of n, 7 is there. So, how we have to write is 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d is equals to 49. This 7 by 2 is there. You are taking to that side or keep it like this only, 7 by 2. 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6. 6d. This is 7. Okay, 6d is equals to 49. Now inside the brackets you are seeing 2a plus 6d. So in 2a, 2 is there, in 6d, 6, 2 3s are 6. If you read 2 table, 6 will come. Means in 2a and 6d, you can take 2 as common. So 7 by 2 as it is I wrote into, from these two terms I am taking 2 as common. Now in 2a plus 6d, if I take 2, 2 into how much is equals to 2a? 2 into a. 2 into how much is equals to 6d? 3d. So, is equal to 49. Now, 2 is in numerator, 2 is in the denominator. So, a plus 3d is equals to, this 7 is multiplying here. If you transpose to this side, it will divide. 7 sevens. So, a plus 3d is equals to 7, you got it. It is equation number 1. With S7 is equal to 49, we solved and we got one equation in terms of A and D. Next we go for, they given one more sum of, and that of 17 terms is 289. And that of means sum of 17 terms is 289. So, sum of 17 terms is 289 means S17 is equals to 289 is given. Now again Sn formula, same formula. N means n by 2. So 17 means 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d is equals to 289. So 17 by 2 take be here, keep it here only. 2a plus, from 17 if you subtract 1 you are getting 16. 16d is equals to 289. In 2a and 16d you can take 2 as common. So 17 by 2 into 2, if I take 2, 2 into how much it will give? 2a means 2 into a is 2a plus 16d is there. From 16d if you take 2 as common, 2 into how much will give? The product as 16d means 2 8d is 2 8 is 16, d is d only, is equals to 289. So this two will be cancelled and you have to bring 17 to that side. A plus 8d is equals to 289 by 17. 17 ones are 17, 17s are 289. So you are getting a plus 8d is equals to 17. A plus 8d is equals to, it is equation number 2. What is first equation? A plus 3d is equals to 7. If you have two equations, and two variables are there. Here what is the variable? A and D. Two unknowns are there, two different equations are there. We can solve them. Okay. How to solve means you have to do addition or subtraction. So I am doing subtraction. A minus A will be cancelled. From 8D if I subtract 3D you are getting 5D. Is equals to, you have to keep it. 17 minus 7 is 10. Okay. D is equals to 10 divided by 5. So D is equals to 2, I got it. If I know the value of D, I can find out the value of A by substituting A plus 3D is equals to 7 in this. A plus 3, D means 2 is equal to 7. A plus 6 is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 minus 6. A is equals to 1. I got A value and D value. So what he asked here, find the sum of first n terms. He is asking to find sum of n terms. Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It is the formula. Now n by 2 I wrote here. 2 into a means here 1. N minus 1. N minus 1 means n minus 1 only. Okay. N value we don't know. D means here 2. Now what I had to do? 2 by n by 2 same. 2 ones are 2. N minus 1 should be multiplied with 2. 2 into n is 2n. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 will be cancelled. N by 2 into 2n is there. 2 cancelled. N into n. N square. So what I got it is sum of n terms is equal to n square. So that only in question S7 is 49 he given. Here 7 is there means Sn formula. S7. In place of n, if you are left side, if you substitute 7, right side also you have to substitute 7. 7 square. 7 7 is 49. S17. 17 square. 289. So, our problem is correct. It is called verification. Okay. Like this, you can do remaining sums. Okay. So, we'll see remaining in the next class. Thank you.